Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Don't mind me, I look like a hot mess. I've literally just finished work. It's Sunday, I'm off tomorrow, and oh my god guys, do you know the Xthyle Mystery Bags? So I got 2 of the Xthyle Mystery Bags. You know how much I absolutely adore these mystery bags, and I was feeling a little bit down in the dumps just lately. Maybe it's perimenopause, maybe I just wanted to shop. But I always treat myself to Xthyle's mystery bags. When I see that they're available, I will pick myself some up. So I picked myself 2 up. They are £50 each, but all the money goes to charity, which I absolutely love and adore about Xthyle. I can't believe she's having a little baby boy. It's been announced she's having a little baby boy, so congratulations to Xthyle and to Grang on having a little baby boy on the way. It's going to be a Scorpio, which is a good star sign, may I add, because I'm a fellow star sign of a Scorpio. So yeah, a little bit cringe, but we love a little bit cringe over here. So yeah, I have not peeked in these bags, guys. These bags have been in this room for about 4 days and I haven't cracked. So sit back, grab a cup of tea, grab your favourite beverage and a little snack, and let's dive straight into these bags because I want to rip them open right now. So we're going to go in with this bag first. I'm going to rip it open, guys. We're just going to dive straight in because your girl's been waiting long enough and you know what I'm like. So I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek first. I am going to be doing a first impressions on anything that we've got in here, so that'll be the video after this one. So this one's the unboxing, the next one will be the impressions. So there you go, you have at it, have a deep dive into what's something just jumped out. So this just jumped out. It's something from Bodyography. I've never heard of that brand before. This is what I love about these bags as well, is that I get products that I've never even heard of, or products that I've never tried but wanted to try. Bodyography, I'm sure that's how you pronounce it. And it's Carver shade. This is the first little product we've got. Oh, it's an eyeshadow. I think this is a messy kind of eyeshadow. So it looks like a little glittery eyeshadow. That looks so nice. Let's do a little swatchy swatch. That looks like a really gorgeous, like brown shimmery eyeshadow topper. So we've got something from REM Beauty, and this is a plumping lip gloss. Oh, that looks like a gorgeous shade, you know. That's pretty. That is pretty. It's like an iridescent pink. Oh, it's got that minty freshness in it, so you know it's going to be good on the lips. We love a good juicy lip moment. Oh, we've got a Kylie Cosmetics product. I do love getting Kylie Cosmetic products. Got quite a few Kylie now. So this is the Tinted Butter Balm in the shade Spiced. Ooh, I love how sleek Kylie's products are. It looks like a nice like chocolate brown. It's quite sheer, but that is gorgeous. It's like a nice autumn shade. Like I say, I will be trying out some of these products in the next video. Oh my god, this looks so cute. It's a little Paddington Bear. So this is the Paddington Bear X Dr. Paw Paw. So these are some little lip balms. How bloody stinking cute are they? Oh my god, it's got like a little Paddington Bear keyring in there. I will put up on screen each product, how much they retail for, and we'll see at the end if these 2 bags, which I know they will be way over the £100 that I spent on them. We've got a little mini of the Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist. I love this, and I've just run out of all of my face mists as well. Reboot Electric. Is it an eyeshadow? I think it's a little eyeshadow. It's like a cosmic green glitter eyeshadow. So we've got something from Say. This is the brush. Oh my god, it's a buffing brush. This Say brush is so nice. Something from the brand called April Skin. I think this is a Korean brand. I am on the hype at Korean beauty. I love it. I love the Korean skincare and the makeup. I just think it's all so really gorgeous. This is a clay mask. You guys know I love a good clay mask. So this is from April Skin. The bottle is very aesthetically pleasing. I really love that. That'll look gorgeous on my vanity. And some of these products, guys, have probably been lightly swatched, gently used in a video or completely not touched at all. If you are bothered by them being slightly touched, like slightly swatched or used or anything, maybe these bags are not for you, but I don't really mind about that, to be honest. This one's a full-size product and it's sealed, so it's not been used. But yeah, I can't wait to do like a little at-home skincare, because I love my skincare. And with these bags as well, you don't just get makeup, you get makeup, skincare, hair care, all that kind of stuff. And you get about up to 8 products in each bag, but Twee sometimes adds a little bit extra. Oh, we've got an Elizabeth Arden. We've got something from Elizabeth Arden. Oh, it's SPF Tower Daily Defense Nourishing Fluid Bond with SPF of 40. I do love a good sunscreen, especially now we're going back into another bloody heat wave. It's like 30 degrees here in the UK at the moment. Will come in handy, so yeah, I love that. Some cream. So this is the 345 Relief Cream from Dr. Althea, and it's a Korean skincare cream. I think I've seen Twee like raving about this cream. I'm sure it's this cream that she was raving about. Yeah, I think it is. So we're gonna try this Dr. Athena cream out. And like I say, Korean skincare is exactly where it's at, guys. I think it's a little tester of a foundation. 20W Beyond Medium Warm Golden. It might be a little tad too dark for me, but it might be alright when I've got my tan on. Yeah, that's going to be way too dark for my skin tone. It's more for when I've got my tan on, because it's blending out really nice and full coverage. Oh, I've been wanting to try one of these. So it's a collagen needle shot firming hydrogel mask. That looks pretty good. You guys know I love a good sheet mask. Another RAM beauty product from our girl Ariana Grande. Oh, it's a glow stick. You guys know I love a good glow stick. Oh, she looks cosmic. Oh, look at that. I don't know if that's gonna pick up on camera. Essence pinky, got like glittery hues in there. This is a lip tint. I can't pronounce what brand it's from, but it's a juicy lasting tint, and it's in the shade Leecher Coral. It's a really gorgeous like corally pinky red. Love that. Okay guys, on to bag number 2. So this is what's in bag number 2. You guys, as always, get to have a look inside. So let's have a dive in. This one looks crammed. Ooh, we've got something from Velour. So, ooh, it's a lash applicator for eyelashes. Ooh, they look very bougie. Got something from Milk Touch. I've never heard of that brand, but how gorgeous is this packaging? So sleek, so me. It's gorgeous. I love it. So it's the Milka All Day Skin. Oh, it's a cushion foundation. It's in warm ivory. Now this might suit me when I've got my tan on. Not even been opened, guys. It's a brand new one. I love these cushion foundations. Oh, that might actually be a good colour when I'm not tanned. So I'm quite happy about that, because I'm going to give the tan a little bit of a breather for a bit. But yeah, that's the shade there. So that will actually match me when I'm not tan. Going for a shower after this with all these swatches on my arm. But yeah, I don't know if you can tell on camera. Let's just turn the lights down a little bit. But yeah, that will actually match me when I'm not tanned. So thank you for that, Twee, and gorgeous packaging. But oh my god, it says it's called the Secret Garden. I love glitter. Very much glitter particles. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to save that. But yeah, that looks like a nice little glitter pot. We've got something from Rare Beauty, guys. Oh my god, we've got a little blush by the looks of it from Rare Beauty, and it's in the shade Grateful. Oh, it's in this gorgeous red. That is stunning. I mean, it's the worst swatch ever, but if I blend that out, that'll be a gorgeous like sunburn. Oh yeah, yes, that looks gorgeous. So sleek. I love this sleek packaging. We've got a Sample Beauty pigment. I'll put the shade name on the front because it's so tiny I cannot read it without my glasses on. Oh, it's another like glittery moment. I'm not going to open that because I will literally get glitter all over the carpet. Also, this is a lip oil from Fenty Skin and it's called Cherry Tree. Let's pop her on now, shall we? Oh, I love these doe foot applicators. Oh, that feels so nice. Oh, that feels gorgeous on the lips. It makes my lips just feel so nice and buttery. We've got a Kosas product. So this looks like a lipstick from Kosas. And it's in the shade Baby Rose. And it's like a nice pinky nude. Oh yeah, that's definitely a shade I will wear. So I love these from NYX. It's their fat oil click sticks. I've got so many of these. I haven't got this shade though. So this is the shade Hits Different. This is one that I've always wanted to try and get, but I could never get my hands on this shade. Swatch there. It's just like a little nude number, but oh my god. This is the one that everyone's talking about. It's called Hits Different. I've got another little sample of a foundation and it's 3W Trailblazer and this is in Fire Warm. That's the name of the brand there. And it's a barrier cream, so Hydro Essence moisturizing barrier cream. If it's anything like the Naturium barrier cream, then I'm gonna fall in love with this because that was absolutely gorgeous. We have something from this brand. I'm sorry, but I can't pronounce the brand. It is a Korean skincare brand. I believe it is because all the back is in Korean. And it's another SPF, so this one's an SPF of 50. Love the packaging. The packaging again is so aesthetically pleasing. A lip product from this brand. I will put the brand's name on screen. It's another juicy lasting tint and it's called Peeling Angadu. This is from Natasha Denona and I think it's one of her new liquid bronzers. I cannot for the life of me see the shade on there. Yeah, it's one of her new little bronzers. Can be a bit too dark. Mix in with like a little bit of foundation or something to that and then make it into a bit more of a wearable bronze. I have this from this brand called Purito. I think that's how I pronounce it. I'm really sorry if I'm podging these names up. But yeah, I can't pronounce this name. It's a Mighty Bamboo cream. So it's a moisture barrier cream. I might mix together the products that I got in my last mystery bags and these ones together and do like a whole impressions video of all the products that I've got in the last couple of mystery bags, because quite a few of these products are like eye pigments and skincare products, which I absolutely adore. But yeah, I'll do a mixed bag of what I got in the other one as well, because I know you guys wanted to know how I was liking the last lot of products that I got, which I absolutely love. And again, the packaging is so gorgeous. Hydro Glass gel masks again. So yeah, thank you so much for these bags, Twee. I know I paid for them with my own money, but I love opening these bags, especially when I'm feeling a little bit down as well. They just pick me up. They give me like that little pick me up. So yeah, thank you so much. I love every single product in this bag, in these two bags, and I can't wait to use them. So thank you for watching, guys. If you loved this video, give us this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. It's completely free, and hit the notification bell so you are updated every single time that I upload a video, which is once a week here on my channel, every Sunday at 6 p.m. So I will see you in the next video, guys. I love you so much and bye.